In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report phishing emails in Microsoft Outlook. So here I am in the Outlook application. I have here open the classic version of Outlook, and I also have the new version of Outlook open here as well. So I will show you how to do it in both versions. From here, sometimes there are small emails that are received in your inbox that are obviously spam or like a phishing email. So what you can do is that you could use the report function so that you can help Microsoft and Outlook to automatically filter spam or future phishing emails. You will see right here in my account, there is a junk email here, and I have the right here a sample test phishing email. So what happened is that Outlook or Microsoft has automatically detected this email as a phishing attempt. So that's why it's ending junk email immediately. But if not, sometimes this can be proceed or be received in your main inbox. And for example, I'll just move this to the main inbox and then you will see the phishing email here. So let me see again if I moved it correctly. Now it should be moved here, but I don't know what happened. It's still not there, but we can just use another email as an example. So for example, this email here, you suspect that this email is spam. So spam or like a phishing email, usually what phishing email is that there is a link inside of the email and that particular email entices you or encourages you to click on that link. So that is a phishing email which you should avoid clicking. From here, if you suspect that the email is a phishing email, you can report it to Outlook. And then, as I said, that will help Outlook to automatically filter and identify any future spam, junk, or future phishing emails. And to do that, there is a report button here at the top. You just click that and then you can click report phishing. From there, this window will open and it says right here, report phishing scams helps keep you and other people's personal information safer. So if you want to proceed with reporting the email as a phishing email, you can just click report. But since this is just a test email that I sent to myself, I'll just click cancel. You could also just click on the icon right here directly, and then as you can see, it will open the report phishing window. And then that is basically it. After that, there will be an email right here that the email is reported to Microsoft Outlook. They will go ahead and review that email to see what makes it a phishing or a junk attempt. And for the new version of Outlook, you basically have the same icon here. So for example, let's use the same email again. There is a report button here. You could just click the report, and then as you could see, the report phishing window will open as well. And then you could just click the drop down. You will see report junk or report phishing. You will see this window again, and then they will just block the sender so you stop receiving emails from them in the future. If you want to report junk, just click report and block. But if not, just click cancel. That is how to report and block phishing attempts in Microsoft Outlook. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and check out our other tutorials.